Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just filmed this for you guys. It took me a minute, but now I'm into it. Now I like it. Like, I think it's different, you know? Like, YouTube has been pushing me to like do different stuff. Like, I don't, I mean, I do, but I don't. I do, but I don't. It's hard to explain. But yeah, I wanna did this. But girl, I'm feeling it. It's kind of cute. You know what I mean? Did a little drugstore look for you guys. I'm gonna put y'all on some drugstore products. I haven't been to the store lately though, so these products might be kind of old news, but you know, I might put you on somewhere. You feel me? You never know. But just hope you guys enjoyed this. Also, ring lights. I have a ring light. I know y'all see it. Your girl glowing. Okay. I just hope the light is right. Hopefully. You know, I'm learning, so if it's too bright, I can adjust it next time. Because it is kind of washing me out a little bit. The lights are gonna do that. So hopefully it's fine. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please keep on watching. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, please help your girl out. Y'all know you're feeling me. I know you're feeling me. Okay, help your girl out. If y'all want to see how I do this, trial and error. Keep on watching.
Hi my loves. So we are starting off with a fresh face. Okay, I do have my eyebrows already done. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my primer. I'm going to take this NYX Angel Veil primer. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Orange Corrector, and that is what I'm going to use to cover my dark spots. And I just take a finger and blend all that out. So now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Deep, and I'm going to use that to set those concealed spots. To prep my eyes for eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Airspun translucent powder, and I'm going to set my concealer that I put on my eyelid for my eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be using this palette I picked up called Rady Desk by Makeup Obsession, and for my transition I'm going to use that Treehouse shade. It's a nice little brown shade. So next I'm going in with Otter Baby, and I'm gonna put that in my outer corner. So for my lid, I decided to go with Pergola, this nice pretty green shade that in the pan. But yeah, when I started putting it on my lid, it was just not the green that was in the pan. So yeah, that's why I'm looking crazy, like what is happening? Why is it not looking, you know, how it looks in the pan? But it was still a pretty color, you know, but it's just not what I was expecting to be, you know, on my eye from the pan, but it was still pretty. It's still pretty. I decided to go ahead and deepen up my outer corner some more, so I went in with Eclipse and went back into my outer corner, and I concentrated more just on the very outer corner just to deepen it. And I'm just taking a clean brush and blending out the edges of my eyeshadow. Y'all know I always do this. So now I'm taking my finger and I'm going into Grace, and I'm going to put that right on top of that green on my lid. So now I'm taking my Wet n Wild H2O proof liner and doing my wing. I was struggling with that today, so it kind of looked a mess. I'm not gonna lie, it looked kind of a mess, but you know, you have good days, you have bad days. And these are the lashes I'm going to use today by Allure, number 126. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop and my Maybelline Fit Me. The colors will be down below. And I'm just gonna use my damp Sonia Cash sponge to blend all that out. As y'all can see, I had to take off my scarf because your girl has no forehead. Has just absolutely no forehead. I went back in with a little more product on my cheeks because that's where a lot of my scarring is, and I'll be needing a little bit more coverage in that area. To highlight, I got the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and the color will be down in the description because it's internet right now. But yeah, I'm going to use that to highlight under my eyes and the bridge of my nose and my forehead. and to stop and put on my lashes. Now I'm using Makeup Revolution's banana powder for setting under my eyes and my forehead and down the bridge of my nose. Yeah, it's a nice little powder. I really don't use it like that because, you know, my Laura Mercier, your girl, takes care of your girl. But yeah, this powder is really, really nice. Also, the brush I'm using to apply this is a Morphe M536 brush. I know I like to set all over my face as well, so I'm gonna go back in with the Airspun powder and my big fluffy brush and just set all over the rest of my face. I like to spray in between my concealer and contour, so I'm gonna use my Morphe spray. And now I'm going into my BH Cosmetics palette and going in with that far right reddish blush for my blush. For contour, I'm using the Makeup Obsessions Throw Shade palette. I'm gonna go in with Queen for my cheekbones. For the bridge of my nose, in the same palette, I'm gonna go in with Fire. And I'm just gonna blend that out with my finger. And then I'm gonna go back in with Queen and go ahead and contour the rest of my face, my forehead, and my jawline. For highlight, I'm using a Wet n Wild highlight. It is Golden Flower Crown, and it reminds me of the Master Chrome. I'm going to take my usual brush, my angled brush, and put that on the high points of my cheeks. And I also highlight the top of my lip, my brow bone, and the bridge of my nose. And I'm just using my black pencil liner to line my waterline. Now I'm going back in with Pergola, and I'm going to put that right under my eye to smoke it out a little bit. And I'm just going to do some bottom mascara. You already know I got to moisturize my lips and put on my chapstick before I do my lipstick. And I'm using my BFF3 ColourPop liner. And I'm just going to use my NYX matte lipstick in the shade Rome. And that's going to be about it, you know. I told y'all I still like a matte lip, so no gloss. I'm going to do my final spray and come back and be cute, girl. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I am so glad you made it through the video. Please like, comment, subscribe guys, subscribe. It is free and it helps your girl out. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos. Can't wait to make more for you guys. Please look back at my old videos and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks.